How to use Netflix cookies on iPhone. I'm going to tell you how to use Netflix cookies on iPhone. As of now, using Netflix cookies directly on iPhone is not feasible due to iOS restrictions. Safari and other iOS browsers do not support the necessary extensions or developer tools required to import cookies. Some users have attempted workarounds, such as using remote debugging tools to transfer cookies from a desktop to a mobile browser. However, these methods are complex and not guaranteed to work. Additionally, using shared cookies to access Netflix may violate their terms of service and could lead to account suspensions. It's recommended to use official methods for accessing Netflix content on your devices. But if you really want to try and do it, here's a recent article from Tom's Guide. You can try it at your own risk.